What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, Lean Sister Lifestyle. I got a little hen that been having some problems. She been constipated, so I had to shave around a little area. She had a wad of mess right there. I had to clean all that up. My first time doing all that. Um, Shot some apple cider vinegar in her mouth, and she was ready to go. So now she pooing. She's using the bathroom as she should. And seem to be back eating and healthy again. So we had her locked up in here to get her back right for about 4 days. So I cleaned her all up. She ready to get back to her nest mate. Let's see, can I grab her? She was really sweet. Yeah, she even feeling more full. Like a little grizzle. Pretty little bird. Got some green around her neck. She wasn't flying. She was just standing on the ground for like a week, and I had to save her. So we're gonna let the birds out first time in a while. She's not even flying. That's how calm she is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First time out flying in a while. Been hawks, man. The hawks been bad. So this is my first time letting them out. Probably in like 3 months. And she gone. She having a good old time. My camera ain't working. Yeah. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Now I gotta be careful because I can't let red bands out. Who else I can't let out? And some young birds that I got. Oh, I can't let them out, so them good. I was so happy I fixed that bird. She was down. She was begging for help. She was constipated. I dropped that apple cider vinegar in her mouth with a little syringe mixed with water. Bam. Socked that in her mouth, cleaned up. Still got the scissors. I know them the wrong scissors, but it did the job. Cleaned up around a little hind part area. I don't even see that bird. She having fun. I ain't seen no hawks in a while. So I say, hey, let me let them out. They only got like an hour to play. That thing nasty. Alright, let's see who else come out. I think that's fancy. Green band. Oh, he can come. Come on, green band. Nope, you can't come. That's a young bird right there. I just got. That's a cock. He can come out. Look at the colors on him. little nervous. They ain't been out in a couple months. I know since before Thanksgiving. Just got to watch them. I mean, I can't let them young birds. I got about 6 young birds in here that they ain't been on lockdown long enough. That's a hen. Red bands can't come out, and then I got some birds out of Arkansas they can't come out. Anyway, I think that's enough. That's a hen and the cock. Let's check on them. That's good. We don't know what that hawk gonna do, so we're gonna lock that down. Check on them. Whoa. They just playing in the yard. And that cat. You gotta watch that cat. That cat'll creep up on her. I ain't even checked to see if no hawks was around. Damn, check out the cage. We got to finish that up tonight. Let's check on these babies. Oh, I should have got my stool. See, that's a young bird. Can't come out. Okay. I got a baby missing. Right there. Oh. What is he doing? Dang. We got 2. One dead. And this one cold. Dang, they're dead. Get in there. Yeah, I know. You need to clean. Oh, man. So that one didn't make it. Specs. 1 egg. Pretty good. All right, gang. Got a little white one in there. Still band up. young bird I just got out of Arkansas. I gotta do some deep cleaning. All right, gang. Thanks for watching. Hey, what y'all hear about charcoal? Can you give your pigeons charcoal? I heard that was good for them. I only heard that in one place one time. What y'all think about charcoal? So this will be done tonight. Paint and start to put my tin on. It's gonna be ready by the weekend. I'm on night shift now, so I got time to work in the daytime. Yeah, just let out a few, cause man, I ain't trying to lose my birds. All right, gang, thanks for watching. And we got a new little chicken. I'm about to let them out too, see if he gonna go back home where he came from. Another hen. Red got some company. Peace out. Hey, hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. You heard me? Already. Peace.